search and trigger them all. Once you have the categories the way you like, and all tools distributed, you find the complete local folder structure in your AE Singularity panel. Search modes. You can search all tool types. Search for category folder names and tool names at the same time. Then just trigger them with a double click from the search results list. We even have an advanced search, with folder and/or file distinction, multiple search terms, and an include or exclude function per search term. Keyboard navigation. We support keyboard navigation to navigate through the result list with your arrow keys and trigger the tool with the return key. Find related. When you click on a folder from the search result list view, you directly jump to that folder, but in an open state in the normal list view, so you even find those task-related tools that do not match your search term.